What is parsley? Parsley, or Petroselinum crispum, is a leafy green herb in the Apiaceae family related to celery, dill and carrots. It's native to the Mediterranean region and is now grown worldwide. Known for its bright, slightly peppery flavor, parsley is, one of the most commonly used herbs in global cuisine. Why is parsley used? Please like, share and subscribe. Parsley is used for both culinary and medicinal purposes. As a flavor enhancer, it adds freshness and a mild bitterness that balances richer dishes. As a garnish, its vibrant green color enhances the look of meals. It's also an essential ingredient in many dishes like tabbouleh, chimichurri, soups and stews. And as a breath freshener, natural compounds like chlorophyll help neutralize odors. Where does parsley grow? Parsley grows best in temperate climates and prefers well-drained, fertile soil. It's grown in Europe, North America, parts of Asia and the Middle East. It's pretty hardy and can grow year-round in mild climates, often found in home gardens and herb pots. What makes parsley unique among herbs? Parsley stands out for several reasons. It's exceptionally high in vitamin K, which is essential for bone health and blood clotting. Flat-leaf parsley in particular holds its flavor better than many herbs when cooked. It's a natural detoxifier due to its high chlorophyll content, and it contains apigenin, a flavonoid with anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Parsley is surprisingly rich in nutrients. It's high in vitamins A, C and K, plus folate and iron. Thanks to its flavonoids and antioxidants, parsley has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation. It also supports kidney function, acting as a natural diuretic. For heart health, parsley contains folate, which supports cardiovascular function. When it comes to bone health, it's very high in vitamin K, which is, essential for strong bones. Its vitamin C content can give your immune system a real boost, strengthening your defenses. And interestingly, parsley may even help reduce harmful bacteria, thanks to its antibacterial properties. So who should consume parsley? Well, most healthy adults can safely enjoy parsley in regular food amounts. Vegans and vegetarians in particular benefit from its iron and vitamin C content. People with inflammation or digestive issues may find parsley soothing, and those with high blood pressure or fluid retention might benefit from its natural diuretic effects. Now, who should limit or avoid parsley? Pregnant women should avoid large amounts, as excess parsley can stimulate the uterus. People on blood thinners need to be cautious, since parsley's high vitamin K content can interfere with medications like warfarin. Those with kidney issues should also be careful, as its oxalic content may be a concern in large quantities. And while rare, some individuals may experience allergies to parsley. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.